Hello everyone. What we have this time is an Avis Titanium. It is the 80 Ti 50. Let's see. There's the bidding for our key. See, it does work. Core is not removable, so I have no idea what the pinning is like in this, but I have felt a few spools. So actually, I am going to mount this upside down like you nice European fellas do. It seems to be, I don't know, something I just want to try. I've been trying to be a little more versatile lately, like doing a few upside down, well, to us Americans upside down. Just, I don't know, keep it interesting for myself. Alright. I'm just using a DeForest diamond from Peterson's, and I think that's a Sparrow's tension wrench. Alright, small click off of 5. Fasten this down so it'll quit wiggling. You find the binder, everything seems springy. Try a little bit more tension. There we go. 3. It's crunching a little bit, but doesn't seem set. So I'm probably using a little too much tension. So I'm easing off of that. I got some counter rotation. Let's see if it goes anywhere. It doesn't seem to be setting. Yeah, these Avises can sometimes be very fun picks. I think the last time I got this one open, it took about 10 or 15 seconds. A little slow going this time, but that's how it goes. I've not opened this thing many times. Make sure all my pins are free and I haven't overset any. Sometimes if you've overset some, a little drag there. Sometimes if you've overset a pin, you know, raking it like that will cause it to pop back up or down depending on the orientation of the lock. Oh, nice. There's pin, say pin 4. Yeah, because that was pin 3. And there we go. I really love these Avises. They can be very fun. I advise if you're new to picking and you've gotten past your master locks and, you know, things like that, check out Avis locks. They're really fun. They're up there with Americans as far as, you know, fun factor. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. trying to get all the subscribers I get. You guys are why I keep doing this. So, yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.